Every signature creation starts with a vision. At SRC Signature, we are turning that vision into a place you'll call home. Here's what we have accomplished so far. The basement is now fully completed, ensuring a strong and reliable foundation. The stilt floor is done, paving the way for your elevated living experience. We have reached the 7th floor slab, another significant step towards completion. And in towers A and B, the brick work has been completed up to the 5th floor, showcasing visible progress every day. We are building with precision, passion, and purpose so that every detail meets your expectations. Now is the best time to own your signature home at SRC Signature.